Helimix bottles are officially being discontinued. Now, this is because Yeti just bought the patented mold for Helimix, and Helimix is now closing their doors after 6 years in business. Currently, all Helimixes are 40% off with free shipping on all sizes on 7th. After that, you will not be able to purchase any of these anymore. So right now is the perfect time to stock up on the best shaker cups. The link is down below to check out every single Helimix right now on a huge discount.
Let's make a Gym Bro coffee. The very last Helimix ever produced. They got bought by Yeti. These things are going bye-bye. In your Helimix, we're going 8 ounces of almond milk. I don't know, everything is 40% off until supplies last. I'm gonna miss you. And then 1 scoop of cinnamon toast cereal. Cinnamon belongs in coffee, trust. Split on and shake. Grab a mason jar full of ice, protein shake. Pour that over the ice. Grab 3 shots of not decaf espresso. This is way too late for me to have coffee. It's beautiful, just like you. Add on some cold foam. Brah. And there you have it, a beautiful iced latte with the Helimix. You know what to do. Enjoy.